Here we're going to look at multiplying two binomials, and they also involve square roots. So first off is noticing this is FOIL. See how this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. So we definitely have a clear first, outside, inside, last. And so now we'll just have to be really deliberate and slow about multiplying them, maybe even writing everything out so we can keep track of what's going on. So our first term, 8 times 6 is 48. And square root of 3 times square root of 3. Notice what happens when you multiply square root by itself, it cancels. Why is that the case? Well, square root of 3 times square root of 3 we could think of as square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. And so if we notice, oh, hey, square root of something times itself, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. Alright, so now we'll do our outside term. So this one and this one. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. And square root of 3 times square root of 10 is square root of 30. That doesn't just cancel because it's not the same number. So then our inside term here, 6 times 6 is 36. And square root of 3 times square root of 10 is square root of 30. And then my last term, 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Square root of 10 times square root of 10, now we're talking about the same number, is just 10. So the square roots cancel when it's the same one. And so here we have 48 times 3, which is 144. And then notice these are like terms because they're both telling me how many square root of 30s I have. And so it looks like positive 36 and negative 32 gives me positive 4 square root of 30. And then minus 24 times 10 is 240. And so last like terms, these are just constant. So 144 minus 240 gives me negative 96. And I can't reduce square root of 30. 30's got a lot of factors, right? Like 5 and 6, 15 and 2, but it doesn't have any factors that are perfect squares, so we can't reduce the square root anymore. So negative 96 plus 4 times square root of 30.